Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? I'll be solving this using two different methods. The question says f of 2x plus 5 equals 4x squared plus 10x plus 4. Here is the given question. So I want to apply the first method by form manipulations. The domain of this is 2x plus 5, while we have a quadratic at this right hand side. I want to factorize this completely, then I will form manipulate it. First, we have this x squared having coefficient greater than 1, which is 2, which is 4. By multiplying this 4 with this constant, here becomes 16. And we have the middle terms here. It is termed as the sum, while this is the product. The new product now has become 16. We look for two numbers that the sum will be 10 and the product will be 16. And to get the sum of 10 and the product of 16, first we look for the factors of this 16. Let's say I have 16 multiplied by 1. 16 plus 1 is greater than 10. We have to neglect this. Again, we are going to have 8 multiplied by 2. So 8 times 2, that is 16, and 8 plus 2, it gives us 10. So it seems this works. But let's see another one. We have 4 multiplied by 4. 4 times 4 is 16, but 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 is less than 10, which means we have to reject this as well, and we reject the first one, which means we are going for this. So therefore, we are going to have f of 2x plus 5 equals 4x squared plus, now instead of 10x, we are going to change it to 8x plus 2x. But note that 16 will appear here. What will appear here is still 4. We just use that one to get the product and the sum so that we can factorize it easily. Then by grouping 4x squared plus 8x, we have 4x squared plus 8x, this in brackets, and also we have plus, here is 2x plus 4. I want to leave everything in terms of 2x. The inside of this parenthesis, suppose I take out 2x inside this. Here we have 2x left plus, when we take out 2x, let's say we divide this one by 2x, we are left with 4. Then plus, there is 1 at the bracket of this. Then here is 2x plus 4. If this is what we have, then we have 2x common to both. So by taking 2x plus, here is 1, and any of this, which is 2x plus 4. This is the complete factorization of the quadratic that we have above. Therefore, everything now is f of 2x plus 5 equals 2x plus 1, then multiply by 2x plus 4. Then it is now left to manipulate this so that everything here is now having 2x plus 5, since here is the domain and we have to make this domain look same thing as this. But these are missing a lot of values. Here is 2x plus 5, and here is 2x plus 1, here is 2x plus 4. So which means we have to change this one to 2x plus 5. But it was 2x plus 1, which means we have to subtract minus 4 from this. And also here we have 2x plus 5. Then we subtract minus 1 from this. So it makes sense. Therefore, by changing every 2x to x, then we have f of x equals x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 1. And by expanding this out, we're going to have, So we have f of x equals x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 4. So therefore, expanding this out, we have x times x, that is x squared minus x times minus 1 minus x, minus 4 times x, minus 4x, and minus 4 times minus 1, we have it as plus 4. So therefore, this equals x squared minus x minus 4x, that is minus 5x plus 4. Here is the result of f of x. And this is how I solve this using the first method. Let's see method 2. With the given questions, f of 2x plus 5 equals 4x squared plus 10x plus 4. So to avoid looking for how to factorize this, so there is another very simple way to approach this, so called substitution method. I want to substitute. Suppose I let everything here, which is 2x plus 5 equals m. So therefore, this becomes f of m equals 4x squared plus 10x plus 4. But looking at this one must also be in terms of m. Here we have in terms of x, and the domain is m. Therefore, we have to make sure that we have something here as m as well. And to do that, we need x squared and we need 10x. We have m here. If I multiply this first one by 10, we are going to have 10. We have to multiply this one by, we have m equals 2x plus 5. Then from what we have here, let's say I make x the subject of the formula here. We are going to have m, then here we have minus 5 equals 2x. m minus 5 equals 2x. But looking at this, we have this as x squared. If I divide both sides by 2 here, we are going to have x equals m minus 5 divided by 2. So if this is the value of x, then we need 4x squared. And here is x. Also, we need 10x. Here is only x. If I multiply this one by 10, we have this as 5 into bracket of m minus 5, which everything equals 5m minus 25. And also I need x squared. So for x squared here, we have to multiply this in 2 times. That is m minus 5 squared divided by 4. So m minus 5 squared is given as m squared minus 10m plus 25 divided by 4. And since we have 4x squared, if we multiply this one by 4, we have 4x squared equals, so 4 we cancel this, and we have everything here as m squared minus 10m plus 25. And don't forget that if you add this together, minus 25 we cancel plus 25. And also we have 5m here and minus 10m, so which gives us minus 5m. Therefore we have, then we are going to have f of m equals all 4x squared plus 10x, they have becomes m squared minus 5m, then plus 4. So by changing m to x, we have f of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 4. So it is the same answer that we got above and we also got here. So this is how to solve this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.